Your sensor has a 12-hour grace period at the end of the session. You'll get alerts letting you know your sensor session or grace period will end. The grace period gives you more time to replace your sensor so you can do it when it's convenient for you. You can either end your session early or wait until it automatically ends. To end the sensor session early, go to Connections and tap Sensor. You can either replace sensor if you want to start a new sensor immediately, or stop sensor session if you want to stop this sensor without starting a new one. The other option is to wait until your sensor automatically ends. At this point, the app will tell you it's time to start a new sensor. To remove your sensor, peel off the patch like a bandage. To start your new sensor, grab a new applicator and enter the sensor ID by using the camera to scan the code. Now you need to insert a new sensor and apply a new overpatch. Clean your new site with an alcohol wipe. Unscrew the cap. Press and hold the applicator firmly against your skin and press the button. If you need a refresher on sensor insertion and overpatch application, you can review the in-app instructions. Back on the app, confirm your sensor is inserted. Wait for sensor to pair and enter into your sensor warm-up. The sensor warm-up timer lets you know when you'll start getting readings and alerts. And that is how you replace your sensor.